Hi, welcome to this Brand Baja Business video series. Over the last many years, I have been conducting a lot of workshops, especially on social media marketing, internet technologies, and how businesses can evolve using digital media. It's fascinating that at times the people who attend the workshop are people who have been using tools like Facebook and LinkedIn for over 6 years. But by the time the first day's lunch session takes place, they are so frustrated and they look in my eye and probably they're telling me, why the hell you didn't meet me before? Hey, come on. The reason is because they have explored in that first half of the workshop that what amazing potential these tools provide to them for businesses rather than just networking with friends and family members. The whole focus of Brand Baja Business video tutorials is to give you fantastic ideas to help you grow your business, because I want you to be not only successful but massively successful in digital marketing. By using these tools, most of them which are free, you will evolve your business like you have never been able to even think of. I wish you all the best. I look forward for you on the other side of the video. Thank you very much.